To measure wrist extension range of motion using volar alignment of the goniometer, the patient is seated with the shoulder in complete adduction. The elbow is flexed 90 degrees and the forearm is supinated. The arm and forearm are supported on the table with the hand off the table and the wrist in a neutral position. During the measurement, the axis of the goniometer is placed over the lunate bone. The stationary arm is aligned with the volar midline of the forearm and the bicipital tendon at the elbow, and the moving arm is aligned with the volar midline of the third metacarpal.
Mr. Jones, I'm going to measure how much you can move your wrist. Please come forward. Turn your palm up this way. When I ask you to, I want you to move your hand down this way and hold it there. I'm going to use this device. Now move your hand down, hold it there,